Hey, how you doing, guys? I got the Acura MDX 2006 and I'm about to show you how to replace the starter in this vehicle. First of all, we gonna disconnect the battery because I don't want you to get shocked while you work in the starter. Okay, once you do that, we're gonna remove this engine cover with a 10mm socket and hit those 4 bolts. Alright, other than that, replace the starter in this vehicle is easy, like 1, 2, 3, done. Remove this cover also with a flat screwdriver. Now from the top you can disconnect the wires, the ground and the power, and from the bottom you can hit the bolts that hold the starter. Okay, and it's easy like that. Once you hit the bolts, pull out the starter, put the new one, tighten it with the bolts, reconnect the wires, and that's it. That's the starter right there. So you can see that's the bolt right there and the ground on the other right next to it. I'm gonna mark it so you can see it. That is being held by a nut. I loose it already. Then from the bottom you can see the bolts that hold the starter, and I'm gonna mark it so you can see it. There's one right there at the top, right there, right in front of you. I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't do it, and if you have any questions about this video, as always, leave your comment in the comment box. I need your feedback. Alright, bro? Don't forget to leave it in the comment box. Anything you need to say about this video is gonna make me bigger. Alright? Anything. You can say whatever you want. Say what you didn't like, and I'm gonna understand and improve it. That's how it works. That's how I do. That's how I get better. You feel me? So like I said, subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it. Share this video with your friends. Hit the like button and leave your idea, your feedback, your questions in the comment box. Astu, Buru. Now right there, that's the bolt that hold the starter. And right below that bolt is the other one that holds the starter also. And it's right there. Alright, now that's the brand new starter. Now once you remove, like I said, once you remove the old starter, just put the new one back. Okay, the installation procedure goes in reverse. Okay, there's not much to say here. This job is easy. 1, 2, 3, done. On the other hand, I wanna remark that you're not supposed to hit the starter when not before install it and not after it's not working. But you know, you don't want to get stranded in the middle of nothing. Know what I'm saying? So it counts. If you want to hit it and start your car and take it to the closest gas station to fix it or replace it, I understand that. I feel you. I don't want to get stuck in the middle of nothing. Neither. I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and please leave your feedback in the comment box. I need that. Okay, I need that. Any idea, any experience about this car, MDX Acura 2006 or any year, but it has to be MDX Acura. Alright, just leave the comment in the comment box, just to know about you, just to know about what you think, just to know about how you feel about this car. If you have any experience, you know, related to the starter or anything else, you know what I'm saying, I would like to know that. Alright, the starter was like, it's garbage. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Holla. Meow.